Hello everyone, today we will make a beautiful peacock using the leaf. Paste the leaves, make its body. Now we will design its feather, draw blue lines on its feather. Now draw the land and the grass and it's ready. Next we'll be making beautiful birds using peanut shells. Paste Christmas tree leaves as shown in the video. Now take empty peanut shells, stick them to the paper. Now make their eyes and legs and your birds are ready. Next, we'll be making beautiful flowers using orange peel. Cut out the orange peel in the shape of the flower as shown in the video. Now make few more as such and paste them. Now make the bottom part of it and now we will make it stem and leaves. Draw the stem of each flowers one by one as shown in the video. After that, we will be making bee using the orange peel only. Make their eyes and wings and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a wolf. First, make its face using a crab shell, make its eyes and its nose. Now, using the paper, we will make its body, draw the lines on it. Next, using black marker, we will draw its legs and color its tail. Now, apply glue and paste leaves on it. Now, make a butterfly using a leaf and it's ready. Thanks for watching.